And a Miami County teen is representing the state of Ohio in a national VFW essay contest. And new here at 6, 2 News reporter Kelly King tells us why the Newton High School senior stood out.
The essay contest has been around for more than half a century, but this is the first time someone from Pleasant Hill has advanced to the national level.
How many of us in this past year have asked ourselves, what has become of our nation?
These are the words putting Pleasant Hill on the map, and the person behind them is 18-year-old Owen Vai.
I always really liked writing. It's one of my strong suits, and once I saw the topic, I just knew that'd be something I wanted to elaborate on.
It was a tough topic this year, but Owen's essay just stood out.
And it's easy to hear why.
Content was just fantastic, but his presence, his spoken presence, his oral presence.
I think my first reaction was, whose kid is that? When we first heard him speak, it was very powerful to hear it come from his heart.
Owen was one of 64,000 students nationwide entering the annual Voice of Democracy essay contest.
We're just thrilled.
I kind of felt like it was my civic duty.
Duty turning into honor for the Newton senior, coming out on top at the local, district, and state levels.
He took all those thoughts and articulated them and pulled it all together. For me, was when it kind of set me back.
His voice also resonating with the judges.
I hope what I have done inspires other people.
Now, moving on to the national level.
No matter the circumstances of our democracy, we are free.
Owen's essay will now go on to be judged by the national board, competing against 53 others. Kelly King, 2 News, working for you.